today in the livestock market that live cattle was lower. It just seems that the downtrend is continuing. The cash market is expected to move lower, and for the next 2 weeks of the year. So that's really has pressuring the market, and you're just getting traders starting to sell a little bit, a little bit more, and that just leaves futures with not too much support. The CVOL is just sitting around 13.6% on the live cattle market, and I think just with that kind of sentiment. More of a bearish sentiment, it makes it difficult for anyone to step in. And of course, a lot of traders move to the sideline when it gets towards the holidays and towards the end of the year. So it's difficult to really, pick the market back up. As we see, even with feeders, they did fall. So they really, the lower cash cattle prices, really kind of opened the floodgates a little bit. And the fact that they're expected to slip further to the end of the year, kind of like leaves traders just with, kind of like giving up a little bit now. We broke through that support level and really dropped maybe over like $5 for the entire week. So the Packers are mostly done buying cattle for the rest of the year. So it makes it difficult. There isn't just enough news for the market to come back in. But we weren't limit down. That's a lot to say, but we'll see what happens next week if we get more follow through selling or if the markets are going to start to level off. We've been in a channel for quite a while, so I don't know if this is actually the number that's going to give us a little more market direction. Now, the hogs did firm up today. The export sales report was really positive. So that's a really good thing because the hogs have really been all over the map. We're not really sure what's happening because the supplies have been really tight. I expected the market to firm up even further and really start to get back more up on an uptrend. But if you take a look at the chart over the past 3 months, we've had pretty wild swings in the lean hog market that was kind of unexpected. Normally we would get kind of like a one-way market until it got to the extreme and it would turn around and start to slip back the other way. We just didn't get that now. And so that just lets us know that there's a lot more participants in the market, and that's why it's pushing it around a little bit. I suspect that we're going to have more, kind of evening up of positions as we get towards the end of the year and then over the next couple of weeks. So we're going to watch that. But the cash prices are still kind of on the decline. So that's just something to be paying attention to. And the deferreds were a tiny bit lower, even though the front month was a little bit higher. But other than that, there isn't a whole lot of news. I think that everybody is just kind of like settling in. So these next 2 weeks are going to be something to watch going forward. The CVOL for the lean hogs was 30%, which is really strong. So I think that there's still plenty to do here before the end of 2021.